I represent Ekiti Central Senatorial District. Mr. President, I come under Order 43. Personal explanation. Mr. President, if I have your permission, I'd like to read.
Go ahead, please.
By the indulgence of the Senate and the leave of the President of the Senate, a senator may make a personal explanation, although there have been no question before the Senate, but no controversial matter may be brought forward, nor may debate arise upon the explanation. Mr. President, I am rising to raise a very crucial issue about which we cannot pretend as elected representatives of the people, and especially as chairman of the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights, and Legal Matters. The reported alleged invasion of the courtroom, again by alleged officials of the Department of State for Security, is one issue that has raised a lot of concern in different quarters in Nigeria. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, the leadership and members of the judiciary are particularly concerned about this development because they believe, like the rest of us do, that the courtroom is meant to be a sanctuary. But for us as a Senate, we cannot begin to take a position or analyze issues based on conclusion without facts that we consider incontrovertible. Yet, much as we cannot just jump into conclusions, it's also a fact that we cannot pretend not to know that Nigerians are concerned about this development. Mr. President, the reason I have chosen to come under Order 43 is so that I will not generate any controversy or even, make the Senate to begin to debate or engage in a debate over an issue in respect of which, like I said earlier, we still need to have incontrovertible facts and evidence. In view of this, Mr. President, I just want to say that as elected representatives of the people in whom Nigerians, and including the judiciary, must find their voice, that we mandate our Committee on National Security and Intelligence to interface with the relevant security agencies, look into this matter, investigate what happened, and report back to the Senate on this matter. Mr. President, I thank you.
To find out what happened instead of opening up some kind of this thing. So I would suggest that the committee, our Committee on Judiciary, Legal Matters, investigates, finds out what actually happened, and then report back to us in 1 week.